Hello and welcome to my channel, and of course this is Cooking with Arlena. And yeah, today I'm not showing my face because I'm a bit tired. I didn't feel like doing an intro, but nonetheless I just wanted to do a real quick video. Today is Friday, of course, and it's May 1st, and basically normally every weekend I like to prepare something special for myself. So I basically only cook on the weekends. I cook enough food to last me for 3 to 4 days, and once that is finished, I'll either eat a sandwich or I'll find something to eat. And then once the weekend rolls around, yeah, I prepare something for myself. So every week I try my best to prepare a special dish each weekend in order for me to, to do something special for myself. And this is something I've been doing long before the coronavirus and the quarantine issue. So why not continue? So today what I'm going to be making, I'm going to be making a quick video. I'm going to be making some baked Johnny cakes. welcome back. And here are my baked Johnny cakes. And I'm just gonna break into one. So see? Now, like I said, with my other flour, normally they're much smoother, but yeah. Let's see. Ooh. But let me tell you. Flaky outside and soft inside. Lord have, oh my God. Lord have mercy. Excuse me. And back home, what we do, we put either some butter or some cheese. Let me get some butter. Hold on. Lord. Okay, I got some Country Crock Light because I try and lose some weight. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and just spread her. Oh my! Let me tell you, this tastes so good. Texture, yeah, because of the flour. But the taste is excellent. I don't know if you can hear that crunch. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy. God forgive me. Nothing like a nice baked Johnny cake. Brings back wonderful memories of my childhood growing up in St. Martin. We'd have these for breakfast, or excuse me, or in the evening, because in the evening we eat a lighter meal. Sometimes we have this with just butter straight out the oven hot, or we put some cheese, or if you want, put some ham. Turkey slices wasn't in style then. If they were, we didn't have any. Or back then, you used to have a Dutch sausage called worst. I can't stand worst. That thing is salt. But if you want, you could have used that as well. And you have that with a nice cup of either bush tea, or whether it's soursop bush or peppermint bush, or you have it with a nice cup of hot either Milo or Ovaltine. And let me tell you, you are set for the evening. So yeah, I hope that you did enjoy this video. Lord, I can't wait to eat. Ooh, Lord. And let me just show you how my fish came out. My oven fried fish. They looking good. So you know, I can't wait to dig in, huh? I am hungry. Okay? I didn't eat since this morning. Did I have anything for lunch? Oh no, just a couple of animal crackers. Let me also show you quickly my and there is my coleslaw. So I'm going to assemble this, and child, I'm going to disassemble this with my knife, fork, spoon, whatever it takes. So thank you so much for joining me on this video. I do hope and pray that you did enjoy it. That was a long overdue video. I've been meaning to make that, but yeah. Get sidetracked. Lots of other things, you know, got a lot of things going on, lots of hats. So yeah. But I was glad that I was at least able to get it done. Look here. Anyway, peace. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.